63.
Your name?
Mr. Yu.
Mr. Yu.
Yeah.
Where are you from, Mr. Yu?
Huh?
Where were you born?
Jawa.
Jawa?
Yeah.
How long have you lived on this island?
50 years.
50 years?
Now 50 years already.
Yeah. Has a lot changed in that 50 years?
I live here very good.
Yeah. Cool. Well, thanks.
Family all Singapore.
Your family lives in Singapore?
Mother, my wife, children all Singapore. Here no school, ma.
Oh, okay. So you live here by yourself?
Yeah.
Wow.
Some morning coming, night go back lah.
Oh, I see. Okay, but so you were not born here
Born here.
on this island?
Yeah, the island.
But you had to move to Singapore,
Yeah.
and now you come back.
Sometimes go back, sometimes live here lah.
Oh, cool.
Behind one more house.
Oh,
Home.
all right, interesting.
Oh.
Cool. Well, thank you very much. It was a very great tour. Okay.
Thank you.
Take a look around here. Great.